Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. Myself Swathi from 3rd year CEC. In this video, let's see about Agile testing. Now before entering into a video, let's have a look at introduction. So first we will see what is Agile testing and then we will move on to principle of Agile testing, its advantages, life cycle of Agile testing and at last methodologies. So let's get started. What is Agile testing? Agile testing is a software testing process that follows as the principle of agile software development is called agile testing. So let's move on and have a look at agile testing principles. There are 7 types of principle. The very first principle is continuous testing, which is keep on testing to check whether the product is continuously processing or not. And we have tests performed by team. Now in traditional software development lifecycle, only the test team is responsible for testing. But in agile testing, the developers, business analysts can also test the application. Then we have simplified code. In simplified code, team tests their software to ensure the code is clean and tight. Through regular testing of this software, the issues can be easily detected. Test driven. In agile methods, testing is performed at the time of implementation, whereas in traditional process, the testing is performed after implementation. And next is less documentation. Agile team uses a reusable checklist. The team focus on a test instead of the incidental details. Next, decrease time of feedback responses. The business team participates in each iteration and continuous feedback shortens the time of feedback responses. At last, continuous feedback. In continuous feedback, testers provide continuous feedback to team members. The members regularly receive feedback regarding the customer requirements. In life cycle, there are 5 different phases. The very first is impact assessment. Gather input from stakeholders and users. This will act as feedback for the next deployment cycle. And next, agile test planning. Here, all the stakeholders come together to plan the schedule of the testing process meeting. And the third phase is release readiness. Test the deployed feature to check it works as per the client's expectations and is ready to go live. And next, daily scrum arranges the meeting daily to check the status of testing and set goals for the next day. And at last, test agility review. So at this stage, you review the features that have been developed or implemented and are ready to go live or not. So this is the life cycle that is followed in the process of agile testing case of any particular software. And the next topic is methodologies. There are different types of methodologies. Here we are going to see is TDD, which stands for Test Driven Development. TDD helps to ensure quality by focusing on requirements. Before writing the code, it assists in keeping the code clear, simple, and testable by breaking into small, achievable steps. I hope that I have given a brief video about agile testing. Thank you.